Okay, this is a little preview of my next repo board. This is what it looks like. This will do, this is primarily single games. Well, it is single games. I got the battery on the back. Let's see, a couple of the features. If you want to disable the SRAM, and I'll get to that in a minute, you just cut that little trace there. If you want to make it 16K memory for like the Donkey Kong games, then you just cut those two little cut points. So this one's really simple. You have if you have a high mapped game, then you do not bridge this. If you have a low map game, then you just make this one bridge here. And then if your game requires 256K SRAM, then you just bridge these 2 points here. It doesn't matter if it's high or low mapped. You just bridge those and it'll set up the SRAM for 256K. And then if you're going to use a 27C 322 EEPROM, you just bridge this. If you're using a 27C 160 or 800, then you do not bridge that. Alright, so what I have in here now is Donkey Kong Country 2 Lost Levels. It's a hack, pretty good one. So I'm going to demonstrate a couple of things here, so bear with me. This is just to show you that it retains saves. So there's my save point right there. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is just switching EEPROMs. I have this in a socket, so I can demonstrate these a little quickly here. So what I'm putting in right now is Final Fight 3. Now, Final Fight 3 has, it's a high map game, but it has SRAM detection. So there's my Final Fight 3. And so with Final Fight 3, when it detects SRAM, it will not turn on, as you just saw. So now I'm going to cut the little SRAM thing with just my razor blade. Pretty simple. Okay, so I just made that little cut. And now it comes on. So I've disabled the SRAM as if it was never even there. Okay, now I'm going to bridge that point back so I can demonstrate a low ROM game like Super Mario All-Stars. So I just put a little bridge back where I made that cut. So now I'm putting in Super Mario All-Stars off camera. And then I'm going to bridge the all low jumper. Okay, so I've got Super Mario All-Stars. And you can see I bridged the little jumper there on the left. This one right here. Okay, so I'll put this in. So what that does is it sets up the cart for low map operation. So I'm not going to demonstrate the save. It does save. Anyways, this is just a preview. So this is the next repo board to come from RetroCircuits, soon to be on mordoffgames.com. Because of its form factor, it'll be much smaller, should be less expensive than the ones we currently sell. So, but it's full featured. I mean, 256K SRAM down to 16K SRAM. So you can run just about any game. You can disable SRAM, high-low map. You can use 27C322s or 160s. Does not matter. And there it is. So we're doing a production run here in the next couple of months, and then it'll be ready for public. Thanks for watching.